Welcome back everybody to this week's video. So today we have a piece of satin wood on the lathe and we're going to make a small dish or bowl with it. So we're just marking out here for a tenon, which is also going to be used as the foot. Alright, so we've got the camera turned round and the lathe turned on, and we're going to start by turning it to round. And the first tool we're going to use is the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Just taking it completely down to round. Just put the tool on the top there just to make sure that it's, there's no lumpy bits, but there obviously still was, so we're carrying on.
Turn the page and burn it. Let's make up.
And now we're going to start going around the bottom and getting the bowl shape and creating the foot. There's the mid-size rougher. And here's the number 1 hollower. Kind of get its final shape. Here's the detailer, just a little bit of cleaning up at the bottom and a bit of cleaning up at the top. Alright, so we're going to start off now with the mid-size rougher, and we're just going to clean off the bottom of the foot. Use the mid-size detailer to match the angles of the jaws in the chuck. And now we're going to add some little detail lines. And there you go. Alright, so I've already done most of the sanding now, so we're just going to sand to 240 grit here with cling spore abrasives.
Are too big. Can I get some comfort, please?
Now clean the grain here with some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol.
Another week, another day, another hour since you went away, and so cliche you didn't say goodbye. I've been waiting for so long.
Some Hampshire Sheen matte sanding sealer.
All by myself, you pulled away, you couldn't say what we were struggling with. It's one of us, it's obvious, but
some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste.
There's an aching in my heart, all the questions that I've got.
Wipe all of this in until you get a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of around about 1,000 grit.
With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one.
There you go.
There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy.
Shitoyans. Alright, finally for the outside, some Hampshire Sheen gloss wax. Just wipe this all over. Then we're going to turn the lathe on slow to make sure we get nice even coverage. Then you wait for the solvents to evaporate. You turn the lathe up to about 1,000 to 1,200. And then you build up that heat. Push on light pressure. And then buff it in. Like I say, light pressure, you don't want to wipe off any wax that you've just put on.
With all these things I'm going through, I still wish the best for you. You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy. You go out and get him, and I will find a better you. So in time,
There you go.
I will find all the things I'm looking
Alright, so now we're going to get to the top or the inside now. And we're going to start with the number 1 hollower.
You're not the only one to love. There's plenty more under the sun. You'll find the one you need. Reach your total fantasy.
Going to go quite thin with this one. Cleaning up the rim there. And this is the full size finisher, just to take out any ridges that might have happened. Checking the wall thickness, take a little bit more off. Get rid of that little nubbin at the middle. And there you go. Check the wall thickness again with the finger calipers, the metric ones. And back to sanding. And this is 240 grit. Clean the grain with methylated spirits again, or denatured alcohol. Some matte sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. Once again, just wipe it all over until you have a clean paper towel and you have the equivalent of 1,000 grit. And there you go. And some Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax.
Test of time. I know that you're curious, I know that you're strong, but life can be furious and things can go wrong. You go.
Here are some pictures. I'd like to thank everybody for watching this video. Please don't forget, hit that thumbs up, click the subscribe button, show it your friends, show it your family, show your enemies if you like. And if you want to see any more of my videos, click that link on the right hand side. Until next week, bye bye for now.